Sincere greetings bridge distances. A distinguished Mexican delegation visited our General Set factory, starting a journey of trust and cooperation. Full cycle quality inspections and real-time test data prove our products meet global standards, strengthening the confidence in cooperation. We customize localized solutions for Mexico's market needs. The delegation looks forward to a long-term win-win partnership. Hand in hand, we power Mexico's development with craftsmanship, writing a brilliant Sino-Mexican cooperation chapter.